Welcome back to Farzana's art class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a fish with circle. If you want to draw and color like me, please do not skip any part of this video. For circle, you can take any circular object. Here I have taken a cup. Now draw a curved line, not middle of the circle. Draw towards one side. Now draw another curved line, small inside of the circle for its head part, and draw its eye. And now erase the line and draw a V here and small straight lines. Now draw a tree shape. Start from its head part and draw some small lines. Now draw its tail, and for tail draw a tree and again some lines. For its scale, I'm drawing here 3. For scales, I have drawn here 4 trees. Now do its outline, and you'll have to do this outline very carefully. Now erase the pencil lines. Now it's time for coloring, and I forgot one part to draw. Can you guess that? Yes, that is its lower part fin. For fin, I'll use yellow color. And here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.